For the wavelength scan mode, you have to click on this wavelength scan option. A new pop-up window will come. You have to select your wavelength range, enter your starting wavelength, enter your ending wavelength, and you have to select your interval of the wavelength. Like I have selected 5 nanometers. After that, you have to select your mode for the scan. Absorbance, transmission or energy. I have selected the absorbance value. And this is your top scale of the graph, absorbance value, and minimum scale of the graph, minimum value. You can select. After this, press OK. Then you have to create a baseline first before plotting graph. And remember that in sample compartment there should not be any cell with any solution. The sample compartment should be blank, like no sample inside it. Press this and start. Create baseline. It will create a baseline. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. You can see this system baseline has started the process. The process is completed. Press no if you don't want to save your results, and press yes if you want to save the results, and close it. After this, you have to put your samples in the compartment. In number 1, put your reference solution, and in number 2, put your sample to be tested. After this, click on this icon, set blank. The blanking process will start, and it will blank the whole range we have entered, 190 to 1000 nanometers. Blanking process has started now. The blanking process is completed now. After this, you have to change the slider to second number and you have to just start the test by clicking on this icon, start test. You can see graph will start plotting. You can see graph is started to start plotting. You can see with the red line the graph is plotting, and here is the absorbance value and the transmittance value shows on per wavelength entered. Here is your graph plotting on the with the red line.